replaced the seals for the low side and the high side on the compressor. I replaced both the seals on the condenser, and there was actually a broken seal on the bottom of the condenser. I don't know if I'm sweaty or if this is really cold, but I mean, it's 92 degrees out, and previously I wouldn't feel any cold air coming from this side or from this vent either, only from the passenger side, and only when I was going at higher speeds. So I guess maybe, you know, it's so cold outside or so hot outside where maybe the Delta T is making it so it's only slightly colder than room temp, like maybe what would be considered 70 degrees in a house or whatever, because I think it's like 20 or 25 degrees is the Delta T between outside and how cold it can be in your car, especially when you're not moving. So I'm hoping that this works. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Eighth of a turn at a time, though. I mean, shit. I probably could have put another bolt on there and taken it out that way, but pressure creates diamonds, motherfucker. Let's go! Yep, not making the same fucking mistake twice. I can bet your ass that. Boom.
Got some hardware in there, so it's pretty good. Looks good, looks solid. Good. Dude, man, this shit was stressing me out, son.
All right, let's test this AC out. Oh yeah. I literally drove this car around making like 330 wheel horsepower with no fucking AC for a year. Like, that's pathetic. Like, if you're gonna have no AC, at least make sure it's a Civic with a laptop in the front seat. I mean, come on. Really? Wow. It's not that it really like makes the car like faster. It's so much more that it's like you know, I don't feel the slinky effect when I'm putting the car, you know, when I'm hitting the throttle. Like, for instance, if I downshift to third, like, there's no slack right there. It's like shift plant, shift plant, shift plant. There's no like shift, slinky, catch, go, like how you would without the carrier. So it's really nice. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. That lockdown kit was a really big challenge because that bolt snapped on me for the drive shaft carrier. But I was really happy with the results, and I am so happy that I got the AC to work. I do want to reseal my rear diff at the top. It's actually leaking a lot, and I do want to put in a Cusco rear diff carrier. I was gonna put that in, but once I started taking everything apart, I was like, man, this is so much work, and it's just already gonna be so long of a video. So I just decided that I'll leave it for another day, and the next edition of the STI is going to be insane. We got a Blausch 20G, and we have an external wastegate, and we have a flex fuel kit. So I'm super excited for that. The black WRX is almost done as well. I need to Dremel out a couple of rusted bolts. I actually didn't know that the body had over 200,000 miles on it until I turned the key and saw that it had 206,000 miles. It also needs a new fuel tank. So Subaru was selling it for like $570, and I actually called them today and they said they're not gonna have one until middle of October. And I've been working on this build for way too long, and I'm tired of waiting. I'd rather just get a used one offline, and I would much rather just get it off an eBay seller. It's gonna be cheaper anyways. I just started my own mobile mechanic and detailing business with a couple buddies of mine called Wax and Wrench LLC. We operate out of Herndon, Virginia, and if you or your friends need your car cleaned, or let's say you have some baseline maintenance you need taken care of, or a couple of basic repairs you need taken care of, please feel free to visit waxandwrench.com. We have really good rates. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.